Okay, so here we have the Rendang Sapi, which is beef rendang. It's really delicious. This is the first dish that we've tried that's a little bit more spicy. Here we are. It's made with the seasoning, the pulvera. So it has coriander and cumin flavors. This itself is not that spicy, but then they add the sambal to make it spicier. And it's really good. I like spicy food, but I don't have it super spicy. But this is the medium level here, and it's pretty good to handle. So let's try this bite. Yeah, really good. Definitely not too spicy. But it does have a good spice, especially at the end. Really nice and tender beef. Yeah, I really like this one. I think it's also perfect for rice. The rice can kind of help cool down the spice a little bit. At the end of the bite, at the end of the big bite, you can start to feel the spice a little bit more. But yeah, this one's really delicious, and a lot of dishes here are made with burrata. I think this is to make whatever dishes you're interested in at home. I think it'd be really good with lots of different types of meats.